Hi, I'm Owen Honey, a local DIY enthusiast from Builders. Well, it's very important that you do regular checkups on your backup batteries for your alarms, your gate motors, electric fence, even your garage motors. Well, these 12-volt batteries will lose some power and get drained after every load shedding period. And before you know it, they die, leaving you without security when you need it the most. They should provide you between 4 to 6 hours of backup power. If you're getting any less than that, then you need to check your battery using a multimeter. Let me show you how it really works. Well, firstly, you'll need to switch on your multimeter and then turn the dial to voltage, direct currents. We're going to put it at 20. Then take your red probe and your black probe and put it to the respective terminals of the battery. Well, you should get a reading of anything over 12.7. That is a very good battery. This one reads at 12.91. Let me show you an example of a bad battery. So placing my red probe to the terminal, positive and negative, you can see it gives us a 9.5 reading, showing you that this battery has expired and it's time to get rid of it. It's also important to note that when you dispose of a battery, you need to do it in the correct manner. Don't just throw it away in your dustbin, because they can recycle these batteries. Another important tip is to put a date on your battery to make sure that you know when you've installed it, and you can use that as a reference date. So using masking tape, just put the date on the tape and stick it on your battery. For more maintenance tips, please go to our blog on our website, and that website address again is www.builders.co.za. Get to Builders, get it done.